that straight flew away. Ah, damn, all bad. Yeah. Got a big ass gust of wind and well, at least it didn't hit any cars.
I don't know if they still got calendars, but be on the lookout for the 2026 1932 Hispanic Caucus calendar, you guys. Always
yeah, that's stuff. Pretty much it.
Uh-oh. What are we doing? This one? The 65 inch? All right, let's do it, man. All right, the winner, 7-3, 6, 1, 9, 619. Are you here? 73, 619. Winner, winner. Who's that over there? I know it's not John Green, so we're not. Because John was standing right there waiting to claim a prize. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. 73614. Did we just miss you by one, John? Standing right, you may win. We have one more, John. We have one more.
But I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe. Timestamp. Tag yourself. Drop me a line if you want me to tag you.
That's how you roll. Thank you. All goes to the youth helpers. Wonderful organization that does great things for the kids of San Bernardino.
As you guys know, it's always too much to see. Appreciate you guys.
Good stuff. All right, what is it? The final TV? All right, now here we go. 65-inch TV.
Gotta walk back to the ride. Damn, that green and black though. Oh yeah, that shit clean. Damn. Baddie for sure. Sorry to bother you. Quick question. Is it possible to get a picture of you by one of the cars? If we could do this one? How to get this picture for sure. Let's see. Awesome. That's my YouTube channel if you want to check it out. Thank you. Have a great day. Oh yeah, that's what's up.
Something about the bus it makes me wanna ride. Shake your hands up, let's ride. Do the things of the city, don't be
I think that's so, I don't know, some people feel different about this, but I think it's so dope that Japan just loves the Mexican culture and lowrider culture so much. I mean, they got it down to the T, like the style, everything. Can't hate on them for someone that's, you know, digging our culture and whatnot. But damn, those lady riders though. Let me just try to see if I can get them real quick. That's how I'll end it. That is dope. That is fucking clean. Look at the paint job on that too, though. Oh yeah. That's clean. No, you're good. You're good. And that's how we end it.